Hi everyone, welcome to Gianti's Kitchen. This bitter leaf has been prepped, the bitterness has been removed, and I used an easier method. Please continue watching. This bitter leaf has been washed, so I'll start by deveining it or removing the stalk. This can be pretty hard. Just do it like this, gently. So I'm going to cut, pardon me, I'm not using a cutting board. So I'm going to cut it not too big pieces. I've started boiling some water already. It is boiling. So I'm going to pour in the bitter leaf. This is the way you would blanch or boil vegetables, the popular green vegetables. This method saves you the stress of squeezing the leaves, getting the sink a little bit dirty from the foam from the bitter leaf. I was told you can drink the infused water, warm or cold, for the treatment of malaria. I'll test it to see if it's done. I don't want it too tender since this is food prep. I think I'll cook it a little bit more. I'm not going to cook it for long since I'll use it in soup, and you can also use it to make yam pottage. This is done, so I'll remove it, pour it into a colander. So the process is as you would do any other regular vegetable. Pour cold water over it or running water over it. It doesn't need much power squeezing again. This is just to remove the liquid from it. So next thing, I'm going to do it this way, like twice. This is the second time I'll be washing away the bitterness. I'll make sure I remove the water content as much as possible. This method of preparing bitter leaves saves the cooking time, and you could keep it in the freezer till when you're ready to. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and see you next time.